Today I am going to make Jill's famous Game Changer cheese sauce. I have made this for coworkers, I've made it for my kids, and today I'm going to make it for my daughter so she can take some home. And you'll find the recipe in the comment section. So for this we need rolled oats, nutritional yeast, some onion powder, a little bit of salt, some cornstarch, a couple of cups of water, half of a jar of fire roasted red peppers, tiny bit of liquid smoke, and some lemon juice. And like I said, I'll put the amounts in the comment section. Now for this batch, I'm going to use a half of a can of Rotel tomatoes. She doesn't put it in hers, but I like the way this tastes in mine. The next step is to pour all of the ingredients in the blender. So I'm going to put my cup of oats, a little bit of cornstarch, nutritional yeast, the onion powder and salt, and the half a jar of the fire roasted red peppers along with the water. And then the lemon juice and the liquid smoke. And then I add Rotel tomatoes in mine. And a little bit less than 2 cups of water. About right there. Then let's blend it up. Put it on low first. And then on high. Alright, it is finished. Take a look at that. Yes. And then watch how it pours. There is the cheese sauce.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. And you can make this with all kinds of things. I love putting my potatoes in it. Enjoy.